you something here. The setup. Okay, this is AMC. This was yesterday. This is how I made 3 grand yesterday. All right. What I have here is MA. I got the MA6, MA20, and the MA200 here. Moving averages. It's on. You can pull that up on any chart. Just search for MA under indicators, and you'll find and put in your MA as MA number 6 days, last 20 days, last 200 days. Down here I have my stall set at 1433, which is standard, and then I have my RSI. My RSI is set at 20/20/47. Well, you can pretty much set it to whatever you want, but this is how I like it. Now you can see here when it started with a strong candle yesterday morning, above the 6, above the 20, and above the 200. Perfect setup right here. You see a strong candle like this, and right next to it another strong candle. You want to jump in. You see where the momentum is strong here, then it gets weaker and weaker. You can jump out here. You can jump in here somewhere between 32 and 35 and jump out somewhere up here at 40. You jump in. That's 5% on your well, on $40, that's 10% on your money. On your options, it's 10% right there too. You know what I'm saying, guys? Look, you don't want to overthink this. You just want to look at what's happening at the moment. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. This is a 2-minute chart. 2-minute charts are really good for beginners, because if you go any faster, you're gonna go crazy. Your mind's gonna go all over the place. 2-minute chart, it's not as fast as a 1 minute or 30 seconds, so you can actually see what's going on, and you won't jump to make decisions that won't work for you as quick. Anyway, look, it's trending just above my MA6 line. It's above my MA20 line. Now, normally you don't want to be so far away from the 20 or the 50, but you see where it's trending above the MA6 line. Here it comes under. It touches the MA20 and actually goes under it and then goes back above it right here. As I say, you get in here, you get out here. As you see the first red candle, you want to get out. You see that? You want to get out right there on this candle, or the second one. If you look even down below you, look at the STO and the RSI. They're both trending down at that point. They're starting to trend down. The blue crosses under the brown, and over here the green is crossing under the brown. Time to get out. And then you just wait patiently and watch it again. No more than let's see, an hour later, it's crossing back over to go up. See that, guys? Crossing back over to go up. It's crossing on all indicators. Above your 20, above your 6, and you jump in again. You jump in right there, and you just watch it every 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes, you just watch your money being made. Yeah, you have a red candle here, but it didn't touch the 20 MA. So don't be nervous about red candles. And it kept going, and 2 more red candles, and it almost touched the 20 MA. And down here, you can see where it even crosses over here. Over here is still showing an uptrend. Down here on the RSI is still showing an uptrend. It's still showing an uptrend. See that? It's going up. And if you look down here on the RSI, this is low. This is a little bit higher. The peaks, the points. And this is even higher. And higher. So you see this whole thing is telling you this thing is an uptrend. Up here, it started uptrending here. And it's been staying above in the 86, 90 range. And you could have followed this thing. Look at this. Follow this thing. It came all the way up here. Big, strong candles here. Massive input here. My goodness. And then red candle. It touches the 20 MA. I would have gotten out on the first red candle. Dip right here, dip right there. It's dipping everywhere. As a matter of fact, it started dipping on the last green candle. You can see that. and then you just jump out and you just wait again and watch it. Gonna get back in right here again at 12:56. See that? You could get back in right here. You know what I'm saying, guys? And then just ride it, follow it. It's every 2 minutes these candles are coming. Every 2 minutes. Now these candles are not all going to be green when you're looking at them. It's going to be flashing green and red, green and red, green and red till 2 minutes is up, and then it goes solid green. And then it goes to the next one, green and red, 2 minutes up. And as you can see here again, when it dipped, it's showing you the trend change here. Blue crosses over. White is above green. Green is above yellow. Perfect situation to jump in again. Strong candle next to it. Red candle, green candle, strong green candle. Jump in again. They go over next green candle, doji. Doji, then they don't know which way they want to go. It touches the 6 touches the 20, and then it continues again all the way up. And jumping up there. Same thing today. Look, I'm showing you today. Today, June 3rd. It dipped. You can see where it crosses over. You know, if you know what to do, you can do some puts here, put calls here too. You know, don't do shorts. Shorts are not good. Shorts will take away money really fast. Here again, it started doing the same thing again at around on 6/3/11:30. It went above. Look, what above my 6 MA, above my 20 MA. It's below my 200. But as you can see here, the trend is telling you. This is why I have 3 indicators, because most people say, oh, it's way below the 200. I'm not going to take it. Yeah, it is. But it can also be a good opportunity because it's coming from a very low price back to a higher price. So it's getting closer to your 200. As long as it's getting close, if it's going closer to the 200, that's okay. That's a good thing. If it's going away from the 200, you don't want to jump in. You want to hold off for a second. But now look, it's showing you here. It's starting to go up again. The blue crosses over on top, the brown. It's showing you that's going into an uptrend. Likewise down here, it gets even stronger when it gets to this point. Uptrend. You see that? You see where it gets stronger on the RSI? Where it crosses over. The 6 cross over the 20. Back above the 20. This is following it. See that? And look, you just follow it. See that? It touches here. Touches here, a couple of red candles. You see that? It's showing you that there's a couple of red candles here. And then it, boom, strong, up again, strong, strong, strong. It come again and it touches, boom, explodes. Explodes all the way up to 58. Crosses over the 200. Look at this. All you people, these people getting nervous and being a nervous wreck when all they got to do, jump out right there at the top. Look, it's trying to show a downtrend again. What's your indicators telling you? It's telling me, wow, it's getting weaker and weaker. There's one red doji. It crosses over. You see it crosses over here. 2 red doji. Time to get out. Don't be greedy. This today alone this would have been a nice ride. Just from here. From this point, 37. You just got to be patient and watch the indicators. Watch them. Stick to the indicators. Do not stick to your mind. Stick to what is being shown to you. Do not listen to the news. Do not listen to people. Stick to what is being shown to you with the indicators. Follow the indicators. All of these candles here are being placed every 2 minutes. And yeah, you're going to get nervous when you see red. But as long as it dipped below here. Yeah. It dipped below there. And I would have probably been jumping out somewhere along this line. But as soon as I saw this candle, this green candle, big green candle right here, everything is showing me now is crossing over at this point. I'm jumping in. I'm jumping in, baby. You see that? Look how this line up. The indicators are working along with the candles at every 2 minutes. And you're going to be seeing this crossover here. The blue is going to cross over. It's going to be short. And it's going to be flapping back and forth. And your best indicator is going to be looking at is the 6 is going back above the 20 up here. A strong green candle goes all the way up, which means there's a lot of buyers. And then it comes back down. They sell it off and it closes here. which means what happened to all these buyers? They still want to buy, so they go again. They say, okay, you know what? Since I couldn't get it for that price, I'm gonna go to the next and try to get it for this price. So this candle is strong again. The next candle is strong because there's still buyers. The next candle is strong, and it just keep going. And now here, it goes sideways for a little, but it's above the white. Your white line is above the green line, and the green and the white is crossing over the yellow. It's time to stick in there and stick with it. Down here in the RSI, you'll see your blue line is traveling way above your brown line, way above it. So there's no reason to be. You got to look at all of them at this point. Don't just look at the green at this point. You look at the green and the white just to get in. For the others, for getting out, you want to pay attention to the others below, and you just keep following that. When you get to this point, you realize here at this point, my blue crosses below right here. See that? Right after the green candle crosses below. My green is turning downwards towards the brown. Big, strong red candle. The white is crossing over the green. Time to get out. Get out. You know what I'm saying, guys? Time to get out. So just follow the indicators, guys. Just follow this. On any chart that you have, just follow this. Do your 2 minutes, do 50 minutes, do whatever you want to do. But I like my 2 minutes. You know, and you stick to it. Don't let your emotions override you. Stick to it. You know what I'm saying, guys? All right, just want to make a quick video, man. Yo, thank y'all for watching. You know, I wish you all the best of luck. You know, God bless. And listen, like and subscribe, man. I'm trying my best to keep you all up to date and, you know, keep you all going forward. And, you know, there's a lot more to come. You know, showing how to do option calls, put calls. Those things are a little bit more complicated for newbies. I haven't put them up yet because I don't want people getting themselves in trouble. But that's where we're heading. All right. Thank you all.